Alright, so I am here on my normal journey like I do every morning. Pull up to the stoplight and I realized something was kind of off with the bike. The bike kept shutting off every time I pulled up to the stoplight, but I wasn't really paying that any attention, so I just continued my normal route. So now I pull up to the stoplight and you can see I took my hand off the gas, and as soon as I took my hand off the gas, you realize that the bike went into a lower idle. So at this time we're about to take on the highway. So if you monitor how I am moving, me not move fast, me not move too speedy or anything like that. This is just normal speed on the highway. I'm just making some normal overtakes. It looks like the rev is locked, but it's not locked. If you listen to the bike, you don't hear the bike limiting any at all. And then boom! What the dog? A flammable fly? Alright, so I had the assumption that the valves or one of the valve fly, but I wasn't 100% sure. So the first thing that I did, pull off the muffler.
Why any problem already?
After I pulled off the muffler and realized that yes, it's the valve that fly basically, as we call it. What I did next was to call the mechanic and I told him, went through some little troubleshooting, and what the mechanic advised me to do was to pull off the head and the cylinder and check to see what else got damaged. That way he can know exactly what to do or what to change when he comes to fix the bike. Alright, so with my little team, we went ahead and removed the head. This right now that you're seeing is the head, and it's not supposed to look like this. Valve caused a lot of damage to the head. This here now is the piston, and you can see that the piston has a couple holes in it which it should not have. So basically what happened was the valve head, or the head of the valve, basically broke off the stem and shot through the piston couple different times. So we continued pulling down the bike and we removed the cylinder, or as we call it here, the block, the cylinder block. So inspecting the cylinder block, I see that inside it, it's supposed to be smooth and nice so the piston can go up and down without any oil or anything leaking through. If you look closely, you'll see that this have some little grits in it, which means that this cylinder head cannot be reused. What a dear! What a dear, eh? My bike broke down, I borrow my bridging bike, team bike broke down. What a rotted dear. So, did some running up and down on the road, got all the parts, and then we started to do some fixing. So, I got the cylinder block, cylinder head, piston and rings, valves, and a spark plug. Alright, so right now we're in operation mode. Well, the bike are fit up. Adapter. Push through. Where adapter there?
Sit there. And half inch is up there?
You want both of them? Give me everything. And then over here, so this a man here now, chain bus and liquid. Where that name the theater cover right there, so.
Chop wire,
everything. Right, that's a leak. So it's my leak all of this happening in one day. Me fly valve, which me never know me could have make happen. Right. See all it there right there, so. The whole cylinder are the way black. You have to spend a bag of money to the buy up cylinder, black piston, valve seal, spark plug, everything. All of the parts are right there, so. So right now we have the BIkewiz, check him out. Right there. Yeah. BIkewiz came to the rescue, you know? So we just have put on back the head. So the black go on. Actually the head go on. See the head there, this is our head. And the black down there, so all of that go on. So the next thing to put on now are just the rocker them. The rocker, and put on the topics cover. And moment of truth. Make sure so everything working. So basically, when me a ride for get parts for that bike, yeah, Panda bike, yeah. Eh? That no? As me I say, when me a someone yeah, hey, fix your rear. As me I say, when me a ride go for parts pan this a bike, yeah, fit this a bike, yeah. This a bike, yeah, chain bus pan me. So I double trouble in the streets to backside. But it's still there. Give thanks same way for life, you know? Cause them thing I can't fix back. Oh yeah, me have the video when the valve fly. I drop in the video, you see it? Brother. Alright, so the rocker. That's the rocker.
If one thing like 12 spanner.
12 spanner. Yeah man, you're supposed to can silicone this and you're good, brother, cause it's not big. No silicone metal epoxy or whatever you need. Oh, I'm showing you how the head steer. But the old piston there. Alright people, this is how your piston looks. Well, somehow I don't know when I look worse than this. But damn, this looks grimy, bro. Watch it. The old valve there. Like this, yeah.
The top ring sees now. The top ring sees.
I mean the
Compression ring, the top ring.
Oh shit.
So the top one.
Eh?
Yeah.
By what?
That was from before, that's up. That's always the top ring for the piston. Ease up. From that wash them before, not you?
Yeah,
Because I valve, yeah. So I put it, that's why you gotta burn, you gotta get the white smoke.
And that burn oil.
See, it's real.
Alright, so these are the old piston. Are the valve do this, you know? But it come like when the valve fly, come like it.
How it sound? How it feel like?
I'm marking my brother.
No, you're asking me, brother. I'm telling you, asking you.
Alright, so we move on from the piston. This is the head. So this is what the head looks like. When the valve flies, it completely nyam up and chop up and everything. So right there, the smaller valve, that one they fly, which is the exhaust valve. Yeah. What me have to do, me have to pull the strain apart and hope so everything can drop out, come out through this. And then this is the cylinder or the block. So what happened to this was, wait, if you can look there, right there, you can see where it chip up inside of it. You see that? So even if we did use back that block here, we would have some problems with it, because the rings them wouldn't sit down properly because of them little chip up there that cause exhaust, that cause oil fi enter in this, oil fi enter up here, so, and then the bike would have smoke and problems. So in total, just no say a good amount of money the iron I did have to spend. That type valve seal, that's how the valve seal that look. It go up on the, I think at the end of the valve it go up on. You see me? And me get that bag here. So me did buy this a Superior. But in about Superior, I buy this on a Eagle Falcon. Me get that set here. Plus the valve for $2,000. Oh yeah, in addition to that, me did buy one what gasket name me did buy again, Jax? Basement gasket, yeah. Brother, I mean I say wait. I wonder if I muffler, maybe he might not use the muffler. So you know what I do? I turn up the idle, turn up the tracker. Right, turn you up on the tiller lock off. 20 killer now. Yeah, so this is the stem from the valve. So what them theorize is this it broke off before, or it did a break before, based on how it look. Yeah, like the inside of it look dark, right? That's
yeah, you see me? I want to piece around it fresh.
A real thing, you know, Jax? So this did I go for a long time. Long time. If only they show a little bit sign, little bit a better sign. Eh? Jax? You see, when me come to you one night, it better me did say, me I buy the blouse and skirt valve seal, and Jax go in the engine and say, yo, the valve are ready for it, let go. Yeah. Better me did bring the valve seal.
You can't know that.
All of that too.
You can't know that until you
yeah, man, it costs all that blouse and skirt like.
My bike.
Not a lie, bro. Not a lie.
Anything I can my bike the whole month, I'm riding.
Yeah, real.
So one moment cost me. Years hard, clean up.
Charger.
Like that one.
Best thing is, we come out, we get out tight, we move on and I make things better. Alright, so the topic's cover gone back on. God, look how everything work out here, bro. Every day I cuss and say, yo, we don't want a different color.
Yeah. I say,
So, bike start, to run, but it now stay on. So, readjust the valve then. Pull off the traffic cover. You might leave it start for a minute. God.